Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove silent mode on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So the first thing you need to do is to toggle your physical button on the left side of your phone. So there are a little toggle button that you can switch back towards the back of your phone, or front towards your front side, iPhone front side. So actually toggle this button back to enable silent mode. As you can see, there is a message at the top of the screen pops up with silent that says that silent mode is enabled, and and toggle it front to disable this silent mode. So actually back to enable silent mode, and toggle front to disable silent mode. So actually the second thing you need to do is to swipe down from the top right corner, and then here in this interface you need to make sure you're disabled do not disturb option. So actually if you enable it, just click on that option and it will be disabled. So you can actually tap and hold on that one option, and then for example enable work and then disable, or enable do not disturb and then disable. So make sure you disabled all these options. So actually the first thing you need to do is to go to your iPhone settings, and then here you need to swipe down and then click on the sounds and haptics option. So after that, as you can see, there is a first option, ringtone and alerts. You need to click and hold on that one little little white dot. So and move it right to increase ringer, and move it left to decrease ringer. So actually that's all, and that's how to remove silent mode on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.